The Cube Attain GTC SL Disc is a masterpiece of both aesthetics and function. This high-performance race bike combines the sublime comfort and superb acceleration of a high-tech carbon frame with the safety of the latest disc brake technology. The ultimate high-speed endurance machine? We like to think so. Shimano's peerless Ultegra gears, compact and elegant brand new Shimano 105 disc brakes and a Fulcrum Racing 66 wheelset blend with the taut, elegant but surprisingly comfortable carbon frame to make a genuine long-distance mile-muncher. Efficiency, comfort and performance, it's all in the Attain GTC SL Discs genes.